General Chiwenga steals limelight at Women's League event. The 11th of September 2025. By a correspondent, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga stole the spotlight at the launch of the ZANU-PF Women's League Presidential Empowerment Fund in Harare on Monday, striking a chord with delegates as he stressed leadership rooted in purpose rather than power. Leadership is about purpose, not power. Let us safeguard the values of the liberation struggle. Women empowerment remains a key tenet in the ruling party ZANU-PF, and it is crucial for the development and progress of our nation, Chiwenga told the gathering. He urged party members and women leaders to channel the fund towards uplifting communities and ensuring that women-led initiatives flourish. The Presidential Empowerment Fund is not just about financial support. It is about creating opportunities, promoting leadership, and strengthening the role of women in every sector of our society, he said. Party officials and attendees praised Chiwenga's remarks, saying his call for purpose-driven leadership and respect for liberation values resonated strongly with the audience. The Women's League Presidential Empowerment Fund, launched under President Emerson Mnangagwa's patronage, is part of ZANU-PF's ongoing efforts to boost women entrepreneurs and foster community-based development initiatives aligned with its political agenda.